Imagine a train hurtling down a steep mountain, packed with over 1,000 soldiers. And then, disaster strikes. On December 12, 1917, one of the deadliest train disasters in history unfolded in the French Alps. A troop train carrying soldiers home from the Italian front was overloaded, double its capacity. As the train descended the steep Maurienne Valley, its brakes failed. The sheer weight and speed made control impossible. The train derailed, its wooden carriages caught fire, and explosives carried by soldiers ignited, turning the scene into a deadly inferno. Between 800 and 1,000 lives were lost in France's worst rail disaster. A tragedy that still haunts history. History's lessons are written in blood, never forgotten. Subscribe for more stories of history's untold moments.